Hello, Americans, and other friends and subscribers around the world. I'm free.
There's
Thank God.
very little snow where we're at.
Yeah, it's like a skiff down here. I'm actually sitting in the Bi-Mart parking lot. Decided to just do it like this. That way you ain't got nobody.
Road noise.
Yeah, some people have problems here when we're cruising down the road. Not saying we won't ever do that again, but not today. But anyway, we're down here. We got dog food, got some propane. And, dude, it rained or snowed all night. I got up because the cats were going crazy on my cabin, so I had to get up and throw snowballs at them. At 1:30 in the morning, it was still snowing. It's snowing here right now.
Hi.
But we're free, man. That's all I got to say. I'm free. We're free. So we'll show something, man. We're just going down here, getting supplies and getting us something to eat and just being free.
Yeah.
We're down here where there's no snow. Heading to up there's where we're going back. Let's head back home up there. Have a dog. Well, stop down for a little doggy break. And then, getting ready to head back up the mountain, man. The Daytona 500 just started. We're listening to it or streaming it on our phone and listening to it and hauling butt to get home before it's over. Watched the race yesterday, and Jeffrey Earnhardt's my man. He did good. Best he's done yet was running in the top 10 for a long time, man. He'll do it. Now he's got a good ride. Alright, so we're headed back up into the abyss. Howdy. I'm starting it over.
It was a wonderful afternoon.
Absolutely. Man, I'm totally exhausted.
Down out of the snow.
I know we didn't show a lot down there. You know, I'm going to just see cruising down the road and stuff, man. It was in, out. We went to the grocery outlet to stock up on more stuff just in case we get snowed in or something.
Okay, yep.
And then over to Bi-Mart and stocked up and replenished because, we could have, like I said, we could go 30 days, 60 days, it'd be getting slim pickings but because obviously we didn't ration. And we got the kids, we could hoof in, jump in the thing.
Well, and what we were eating on while we were snowed in was just our standard
Mixed every day.
groceries.
Yeah,
It wasn't our storage.
Anyway,
Stores.
but we did restock some of the cans of stuff that we used that we probably wouldn't have.
Yeah.
So got all that. Headed back up there. That we may get some more footage of it, but man, them clouds, them amazing, beautiful, nasty clouds. Yes, we are right in the midst of those. Driving back out of spring down there and back into winter makes you just want to throw yourself on the ground. Motels are looking nice down there.
Yes, but we gotta get home and
get the fire stoked up, all that. We're hauling butt to get home because right here I can listen to the Daytona now till almost to the homestead on the streaming it, but got to get home for the end of that. Got his little treats for the sit in the recliners and watch the end of the race. I didn't really want to go. We were actually planning on going over to Katie and Tim's.
Yeah, but they went to the hot springs.
Yeah, they went to the hot springs, and we came down below, man.
They needed to get out.
Yeah,
too.
same thing, man.
Yeah,
they weren't. All of us. I mean, even and like I said, man, when I say snowed in, it's not like we're desolate in the middle of the Frank Church wilderness area, type thing. We just couldn't drive out in this van.
Yeah.
And really, I could have red blew through there, and almost. I'm so surprised he didn't bury that thing or end up in the creek a couple times. And if the beast would have started, we would have blown out of there. But there was no coming out in this van, and there was no coming out in the lady hut.
We might have could have, but it wasn't worth the risk.
It's not worth the risk. It's all right, man. So that's all we got. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on, the home fire's burning. I got the propane. You can see all the groceries, and we scored a few things to make a few bucks too.
Yeah. So check out the links below for the eBay store.
Yep.
Great way to support the homestead.
eBay, Etsy, or Hillbilly.com, and it helps keep the videos coming. And
even the t-shirt links down below.
Yeah, the t-shirts. They were selling everything, dude.
It's a Hillbilly
That's right. So good Lord willing and the creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.